Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I just wanted to take a quick minute to brag about this beautiful men's sweater. This sweater is definitely my son's favorite. He tries to wear it all the time, even though the weather's starting to warm up here in Ohio. The quality of this sweater is definitely something to talk about. It's comfortable enough to wear for long periods of time, and it keeps him nice and warm on chilly days. The zipper works really good. I love the ribbing around the neck and the sleeves. It has good sized pockets for him to fit all of his junk, and the inside is made of a very soft flannel material that extends all the way down the sleeves to keep him nice and warm and comfortable. The stitching is good and strong, and I know that even with the abuse that teenage boys put their clothes through, this is going to last him for years. I love the way that this fits him. I got it in a small in men's, so I know that even if he grows a little over the summer, it's still going to fit him in the fall. It is true to size. I love that he can wear this sweater to a dressier occasion, such as a graduation or a fancy family dinner, but he can also just throw it on casually to wear it to school, or just if he's chilly in the mornings to watch TV. We are in love with this sweater. I just might buy another one for my husband and my dad because it would make a great gift for any man in your life. And that's my point of view.